is such goals. It's a beautiful day outside, so I figured why not take the E39 out for a drive. What's the word, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Finna go ahead and get y'all a cold start real quick. Well, actually, it's not a cold start because I had to drive over here, but y'all know what I mean. All right. Yeah, it's super nice outside, so I was like, man, let me take this car out for a drive. I think it's actually time to do an oil change on this car. Car's still driving good, like I said in the last video. Yeah, I just think it's time for me to go ahead and do an oil change. Last time I checked the oil was kind of getting dark, so usually in this car the oil is a little bit on the darker side anyway, but obviously me just knowing what the oil looks like when I need to change it, it's just getting to that point. So and y'all, I don't know exactly if I've completely fixed the coolant issue, because I'm still getting issues where it says check coolant level and there's coolant in the car. So I don't know if I fixed it all the way or not, but yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of out of ideas, you know. I don't know what to do. I don't know if it's like a sensor or something. I don't know if it's like a sensor or something, or if it's just like, I don't know, y'all, to be honest. The AC works great though. Like, it's getting really hot outside and the AC is working like perfect. Like Urus, y'all check this Urus out. Sheesh. Fire. Y'all, that is such goals. All right, y'all, we got our food, got our stuff to make dinner tonight. Time to head on back. I don't know why, but I'm glad I'm recording right now. If y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see that, but y'all see my temp gauge? Y'all see how it just moved? It just crept back to normal. Like, I don't know what's going on, y'all. If y'all are like, if I have any BMW technicians that watch my videos, can y'all please, like, if y'all know anything about reasons why this would happen, please let me know in the comments, because I honestly have no idea why it's still doing that after I fixed it. So Alright, y'all, that is going to conclude today's video. Hopefully y'all did enjoy it once again. Make sure y'all definitely like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Y'all, we are like 4 subscribers away right now from 500 subs. I'm just so thankful for each and every one of y'all. You guys are just amazing. For the ones that have been here from the start to the ones that just got here, I love all of you guys. I appreciate the support. And yeah, can't wait to go even further with y'all. I know that sounds like a cliche, but I really do. I can't wait to go further and y'all see me grow and go through trials and failures and success, and y'all just see the progress of the channel. And this is also part of my life too. I mean, like, I'm just a college kid right now, but like over the years, like growing up and becoming an adult and all of this stuff is a part of the journey as well. So definitely make sure you guys go shop right now at Blackline Car Care. You can get 20% off site-wide. You can also get an additional 10% off if you use my discount code TrueKJ_. I appreciate you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one.